Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the grilled squid with the apple jam in Heartopia Call Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the fashion wave foods in Heartopia. As you can see here, I haven't unlocked the grilled squid with apple jam recipe yet. If we want to unlock it, we need the original recipe. We can get it from Massimo's cooking store. And we can replace the fruit jam with the apple jam since we want to make the grilled squid with apple jam. First, you're going to collect the apples. Make sure that your apples are enough to make the apple jam, and you're going to make the apple jam with your normal stove. Okay, you need 4 apples. And once you make the apple jam, you're going to go to your Tidal Stove, and then you're going to make the grilled squid with fruit jam. You can use the original recipe, and you're going to replace the jam with the apple jam. Oops, this is mixed jam. Where is my apple jam? Oh, this one. Okay, replace it with apple, and I'm going to start cooking. Okay, done. I've just made the grilled squid with apple jam. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the grilled squid with apple jam in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!